This is a very interesting and detailed video about the process of making the Audi Skysphere concept from wood that he shared. The sculpting and assembly steps are performed with meticulousness and high technique, demonstrating passion and love for the art of wood carving. Hard-working and meticulous. I was very impressed with his diligence in every step of sculpting and assembling the car. Your use of different tools to create every little detail of the car truly shows your artistry and high technique. Professional work process. I was very impressed with the way he prepared and carried out each step. From the choice of wood to the varnishing process, you have shown a very high level of professionalism and technical skills, enthusiasm, and love for the craft. What makes this video special is your dedication and love for the craft of wood carving. The fact that you shared your feelings when Audi called to thank you for using their model is a demonstration of respect and recognition for your skills. Excellent communication ability. He was very successful in conveying complex techniques in an easy-to-understand and engaging way. Clear explanations combined with detailed illustrations help viewers easily follow and understand your work process. In short, your video is not only a tutorial on how to make a car from wood, but also a true work of art, demonstrating the passion and professionalism of a woodcarver. I look forward to having more videos from you to continue to explore and feel more about this art. Wishing you success and hope to have many more unique art products in the future. Sophistication in every line. I feel the sophistication in every line of the car. The use of a lathe to shape the wheels and a saw to create exterior details is truly a remarkable highlight. This shows that you are not only a sculptor, but also a true artist. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any videos and get updated as soon as new content is released. Together, discover more about the fusion of art and engineering and feel the sophistication of the details that were once sculpted and assembled by hand.